In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Klarna on Shopify. So let's get started. So if you want to get Klarna on Shopify, the process is actually pretty straightforward, but it depends on whether you are a store owner or a customer. If you are a store owner and you want to offer Klarna as a payment method, then you want to first log into your Shopify admin dashboard, which looks like this, and then you want to go ahead and head to settings, and then you want to click on your payment providers, and in the payment providers section you want to see if your Shopify payments is activated, because in many countries Klarna is available directly through the Shopify payments. If it's supported in your region, you will see Klarna listed under these payment sections, under these accepted payments. And then you can just go ahead and simply activate it. But if Klarna is not available through Shopify payments in your country, you can add it as a third-party provider by clicking on add payment methods. So you can see right here third-party providers, and you can go ahead and choose the third-party provider, and then you can search for Klarna here. You may need to create a Klarna merchant account, through Klarna's merchant portal. You want to go ahead and create a Klarna merchant account, verify your business details, and connect it to Shopify by following the step instructions. And once everything is connected and approved, Klarna will appear as an option at checkout for your customers. And well, yeah, that's how simple it would be if you were a Shopify owner. Now, if you're a customer trying to use Klarna on a Shopify store, just add your items to cart and then go to checkout and look for Klarna under the available payment options. Like so you have chosen your product, you can just go ahead to your payment section, and you should find, if it's available in your region, you should find Klarna under your payment section. And if the store supports it, you can select it and log into or sign up, and then just choose your payment plan and complete the purchase. And that's basically how to get Klarna on Shopify, whether you're setting it up as a seller or using it as a buyer, and simple as that. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.